Hello virtual families. This is a video used to help you navigate the new schedule as well as when to check in for your student's block. Remember that attendance is taken by the IT department through Microsoft Teams. You will need to ensure that your students check in at the 4 highlighted times on their schedule. You have your 8 o'clock number talks, which is your math block virtual check-in for your mini lesson and your warm-ups. 9:25 will be your foundations, ELA, reading and writing blocks that you will need to check in. This will be also served as your warm-up during this time. So make sure that you are checking in with your reading and writing teacher at 9:25. Your students will also need to make sure that they ensure they are at specials, whether it be a recorded lesson or a live lesson at 11:20, and make sure to follow their special schedule. At 1:10 will be their science or social studies virtual check-in. They will stay for a live lesson with their homeroom teacher. At 1:45 will be their social emotional lessons for 15 minutes. They will need to ensure that they are at those lessons as well. In order for you to best navigate going into your calendar on Microsoft Teams is the best tool for this. You will see that all 4 times have been highlighted and scheduled in their calendar in their appropriate teams. You will also see that they will get small group live instruction on particular days that their teachers assign them. Their small group live instruction will be assigned through their calendar. You will need to ensure that your students understand when to meet for live small group instruction as well as their live mini lesson virtual check-ins at the 4 appropriate times. Again, the teachers do not have access to take attendance for virtual students. The IT department is taking virtual attendance through their Microsoft Teams data, so they need to ensure that they are logging in through Microsoft Teams. Please utilize the calendar to see all virtual check-ins. You will possibly need to scroll down and find those meetings. Remember that all live small group instruction will be assigned in their calendar. So please ensure that you are following this schedule as well as their Microsoft Teams schedule to check in with their math, their reading, and their homeroom teachers.